Hey Stephanie, thank you so much for your question. Here's a really quick tutorial video on how to locate the evaluation for your student in TK20. This is going to be your login screen when you see it. So I'm going to go to Field Experience on the side, and then when I do that, you see that the student's information is going to show up right here. I'm going to click on her name for Block 2 to do the placement. So I'm going to click on Andrea's name and your student's name there. This is going to bring me to a split screen. The information on the left is the student's information. On the right here is your information that you have, and so we're looking here for the BSW field evaluation of student. If we click on that form, the evaluation is going to show up here on the right hand side. Go ahead and complete the evaluation, scrolling down, answering all the questions, providing fantastic and comments about how amazing your student was. And then at the very end, when we get there, I'm going to move the screen down a little bit. You see, go ahead and save and close, and you are finished. Again, thank you so much for supporting our students, and please let me know if there's anything else we can do.